Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. Today, I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube channel. So keep watching the video till the very end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. You would want to create a YouTube channel in order to have a public presence on YouTube, even if you have a Google account. You'll still need to create a YouTube channel to upload videos, comments, or make a playlist. You can create your YouTube channel by visiting the YouTube application or simply visiting your mobile sites as well. Tap open your YouTube application as soon as you reach the home screen of YouTube. The first thing you'll need to do is go to your profile at the upper right and tap it on. Tap on your channel from the menu, and you'll be asked to create a channel. Enter the name you'd want to use for your channel. Once you're done, tap on Create a Channel, and there you go. Tap on the plus button at the bottom, and you can go live or upload the first video on YouTube. That is how you can create a YouTube channel quickly and easily. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.